Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check YouTube Shorts revenue. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your YouTube studio where you can see all the analytics of your content here in YouTube. So basically, you can just access YouTube Studio from YouTube and then click on your profile and then just go to YouTube Studio. So basically now all you need to do is just to go to analytics and basically here you will find the all overview. After that, you will need to go only to your shorts so you can see just the performance of your shorts. So here you can already see my content. So I'm just going to content and after that you will need to filter by shorts. So here you will see only the performance or the analytics of the shorts. And basically now you can see how viewers find your shorts, how choose to view, etc. Basically, if you have your monetization or you are eligible to earn uh, from shorts, you will see another section here that will be added that says your shorts performance. So basically, shorts performance will just tell you how or will allow you to see your revenue of shorts. And basically, by that, you will be able to start tracking the revenue of your shorts. So just go here to the analytics and come here and you will see your shorts. And basically, you will see also the performance of them in terms of money. So just make sure that you are eligible to earn from YouTube and that you are here by going to earn. Make sure that you meet already the eligibility of earning here in YouTube, and basically that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.